Welcome back to my daily video breaking down today on the SPY, Nvidia, Amazon, and Apple. So if you look at our SPX, which is the mother of everything, the SP 500, we have a huge downward movement today, about 54 bucks. So based on a quantitative study on the expected move for SPX, the expected move for SPX by end of Friday is 52.176. So which means that 52 points up or 52 points down. And what happened today? We complete that expected move in just one trading day by going down $54.79. This tells me either we're going to stay in this range or fell below the expected move, which means we're looking at 1 theta, which is 52, 2 theta, 102, and 3 theta, 158. That's pretty bad. We are below the 200 days moving average, and we just hit our next major support for the SPX is at 2690. That's the next gap ought to be filled. However, if we look at the MACD on the SPX, yes, the buying volume is diminishing, but the line hasn't crossed yet. But if you look at our person's indicator, it shows the sign of SPX is not above the market productiveness, so it's very bearish. As you can see, an arrow formed. So tomorrow, what I'm looking at is we should have a bounce back to 2731. Why is that? Let me show you why I say 3731. If you look at the 5-minute chart on the SPX, every time we hit 2731-ish, we bounce. Bounce once, bounce twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, and the 8th time we fail. So tomorrow we are going to have a quick bounce to 2731, break that, go to 2740, and then break that, continue to go higher. But that's not the case. So the next very quick resistance is 2731, and the next one is 2740 right here. If the 2731 doesn't break, prepare for a downtrend, more downtrend. Okay, let's take a look at Apple. What happens with Apple? JP Morgan downgraded Apple price again. So Apple, the low of 192, we closed at 192.7. We closed at 194, but after hour 192.7. So more bearish after hours. We filled a gap at 190. If you look back, let me submit this back. 1 year, 1 day. If you look back, we filled a gap at the previous earning back in August at 190 area. This is the gap we filled, and we filled just today. Are we gonna keep going down? Yes, we are. Why is that? There's no good news on Apple, and with their no sales number on iPhones, we can see Apple is going to be in some bearish mode for a good amount of time. So the next gap is going to be filled at 187. So when Apple goes to 187, it has to bounce. Otherwise, it's going to be very, very interesting. I wouldn't get a call or a put on Apple right now, because right now it's in no man's land. It could go down by a little bit, or it can go up more. We don't know. So if you're trading options for Apple, don't buy any new contracts. Let's look at Amazon. If you look at my video every day, last Wednesday I said Amazon is going to hit 1600, and what happened today? 1636. If you got a put on last Wednesday, the put was at 300 bucks. Okay, I'm up $3,000 on that freaking put. It's a bold move, very scary move, but I made that freaking move. And guess what happened today? I'm up $3,000 on Amazon put. Did you expect Amazon to drop about $80 today? Not really. But are we expecting Amazon to come down? Yeah. And they came down, just a matter of time. And he did. So Amazon down about almost $80 today. So the next support review is right here at 1630. 1620. Why? Because there's a gap right here to be filled, and it's probably gonna come down more tomorrow because after hour Amazon's down like what, $14. So if we break that, we're gonna see 1580. And then I do believe that Amazon is coming down even more. Why? Because Amazon's huge bubble, and then the layer revenue is gonna come down in December. They projected it, less revenue. So if we look at the 100 days, let me just show you this real quick to show you that Amazon is a bubble. Let's go 5 years and month chart. What is this? This is a straight J curve. And then every bubble is gonna burst. And then this is a sign of bursting. So in the recession coming very soon, maybe 2 years from now, Amazon is gonna be below $1,000. Should you get in right now? You could get in for a swing trade, but wait till Amazon touches the 1600 mark or the 1550. I'm ready for put tomorrow if Amazon bounce back a little bit. I have a very bearish sentiment on Amazon or the whole tech sector. Last but not least, Nvidia. It has earning on Thursday, and today dropped like what, $12. So Nvidia super bearish because the chip sectors are very bearish. AMD had its earning not long ago. What happened? AMD dropped 10% the next day, and it's still dropping. So Nvidia, there's a gap to be filled to 189, 187. Look at this right now, 189, 187. That's what I'm looking at. So Nvidia expect to move for Friday is $22, and we already moved $16. Okay, today we moved $16. The expected move for Nvidia on Friday is $22. What's gonna happen? Well, we saw a clear trend today, down. So Nvidia is going to keep moving down. We closed at 189 after hours shot up to 190, but that doesn't mean anything. It just tells me that people don't know that who are buying right now. So Nvidia, watch out. I'd say get a put last Friday at 185. If you did last Friday, you'll be up about $1,000 to $2K, easy, no problem. So Nvidia is going to come down to below $180 after earnings. And that's my breakdown for today. Be careful trading the market. We are in a bearish territory again.